So good morning students. So last class we discussed about the chemical reaction of diazinon salts, that is Sandemann's reaction, Gattermann reaction, and so replacement by cyanide, so that is halides and cyanides, and replacement by so iodides, okay, replacement by fluorides. So this only we discuss. Okay, so replacement by halides, that is chlorobromin is easily introduced in the presence of introduced to in the benzene ring in the presence of copper 1 ion is called Sandemann's reaction. In the presence of copper powder, that is what? So Gattermann reaction. So that is we discuss. So iodobenzene cannot be directly prepared. Iodine cannot be directly introduced in the benzene ring. So that is we have to first diazinon chloride salt is shake with the potassium iodide to produce the iodobenzene. So fluorobenzene also you have to prepare diazinon chloride salt react with the fluoroboric acid to produce the fluoroborate, which on heating with produce the fluorobenzene. This reaction is called Schimann reaction. So now today we are going to discuss fourth one is replacement by hydrogen. Replacement by hydrogen. Replacement by hydrogen. Okay. So in the presence of reducing reagents. Okay, so replacement hydrogen in the presence of benzene diazinon chloride salt. Okay, in the presence of some reducing reagents like hypophosphorus acid, that is phosphoric acid, and ethanol. In the presence of mild reducing reagent. In the presence of mild reducing reagent. In the presence of what? In the presence of mild reducing reagents. Mild reducing reagents. So such as what? Mild reducing reagent such as so ethanol, hypophosphorus acid, that is phosphoric acid, that is phosphoric acid, that is hypophosphorus acid also called phosphoric acid, and ethanol. Ethanol means C2H5OH, ethanol. So ethanol. Okay. So to give the arenes, that is benzene. To gives arene. Arene is what? Benzene. To gives arenes. Here is arenes is what? Benzene. To gives arenes, benzene. So this is reducing reagent themselves get oxidized. Itself gets oxidized. Say whatever is there. So aryl diazinon chloride salt in the presence of mild reducing reagents such as hypophosphorus acid and ethanol. So to give the arenes, that is benzene. So here is hypophosphorus and ethanol. So themselves get oxidized. Themselves means itself gets oxidized to produce the product one. So itself get oxidized. Already what is the oxidation? Addition of oxygen. So hypophosphorus is converted to phosphorus acid. So hypophosphorus is converted to orthophosphorus. Ethanol is converted to ethanol. It's clear what I am saying. So aryl diazinon chloride salt react with okay. So mild reducing reagents such as hypophosphorus acid, that is phosphoric acid. What is the hypophosphorus? H3PO water. Phosphoric acid and ethanol C2H5OH to give arenes, benzene. Here is hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid, phosphoric acid themselves get, or ethanols themselves get oxidized to produce the product. Let us see the equation. So aryl diazinon chloride salt AR2 plus Cl minus. So react with hypophosphorus acid. This is what? Hypophosphorus acid, that is phosphoric acid. So hydrolysis to gives arenes. Arenes is what? Benzene. It is arenes. So benzene is produced. Benzene is arenes, that is benzene. So to gives nitrogen plus H3PO3 themselves get oxidized and HCl. So H3PO2 gets oxidized, it reduces some reducing reagents, mild reducing reagents such as phosphoric acid, that is hypophosphorus acid, and ethanols to reduce the benzene diazinon chloride salt to benzene. To reduce the benzene diazinon chloride salt to benzene, that is arenes. So another equation. So benzene diazinon chloride salt react with ethanol. ethanol. To produce the arene also it is also arenes, that is benzene. Benzene plus nitrogen plus ethanol. Alcohol is coming to salt. Ethanol and hydrochloric acid Is it clear what I am saying? See, so in the presence of mild reducing reagents such as hypophosphorus acid, that is H3PO2, it's also called phosphonic acid, and ethanol to reduce the benzene diazenyl chloride salt to benzene, that is arenes. So here is hypophosphorus acid and ethanol themselves get oxidized. So H3PO2 is converted to H3PO. It is hypophosphorus acid, it is orthophosphorus. It is ethanol, it is ethanol. So oxidizing. Itself get oxidized. Okay. This is replacement by hydrogen. Okay. So next one is replacement by hydroxide. Next one is replacement by hydroxide. Okay. Replacement by hydroxide. OH minus. Replacement by hydroxide. Replacement by hydroxide. That means OH minus. Replacement by hydroxide. Okay. So that is the fifth one. So replacement by hydroxide. So benzene diazenyl chloride salt solution heating with up to 283 Kelvin temperature. So followed by hydrolysis. Okay. So benzene diazenyl chloride salt solution. So heating with up to 283 Kelvin temperature. So followed by hydrolysis to produce the phenol. Benzene diazenyl chloride salt. See, simple diagram. Benzene diazenyl chloride salt solution. So heating with up to 283 Kelvin temperature. To produce the what? Phenol. This is what? Phenol. To produce the phenol. So benzene diazenyl chloride salt heating with up to 283 Kelvin temperature to produce the phenol and nitrogen gas and HCl. Is it clear? So benzene diazenyl chloride salt heating with aqueous solution. Benzene diazenyl chloride salt solution heating with up to 283 Kelvin temperature. Only up to 283 Kelvin temperature to produce the phenol. Okay. So this is the replacement by hydroxide. Simple you have tried. Benzene diazenyl chloride salt. So heating up to 283 Kelvin solution to produce the phenol. So this is the replacement by hydroxide is what? OH. Hydroxide is what? OH group. Okay. And next one is sixth one is replacement by nitro group. So nitro group is what? NO2 group. Replacement by nitro group. Same. So benzene diazenyl chloride salt already know react with the fluoroboric acid. So benzene diazenyl chloride salt. React with the fluoroboric acid. HBF4. React with fluoroboric acid to produce a benzene diazenyl fluoroborate. N2 plus BF4. N2 plus BF4. Benzene diazenyl fluoroborate. Benzene diazenyl chloride salt react with fluoroboric acid. This is what? Fluoroboric acid. To produce a benzene diazenyl fluoroborate. So which is heating with aqueous sodium nitrate solution in the presence of copper to produce the nitrobenzene. Is it clear? So benzene diazenyl chloride salt. So heating react with fluoroboric acid to produce a benzene diazenyl fluoroborate. It is treated with aqueous sodium nitrate solution in the presence of copper to produce the nitrobenzene and so sodium borotetrafluoride. Okay, nitrobenzene and sodium borotetrafluoride and so this is the one. So nitrogen gas. So benzene diazenyl chloride salt react with fluoroboric acid to produce the benzene diazenyl fluoroborate, which is treated with aqueous sodium nitrate solution in the presence of copper and heating, so to produce the nitrobenzene. Then nitrobenzene and sodium borotetrafluoride and nitrogen gas. This is the replacement by nitro. Is it clear what I am saying? So replacement of only 6 reactions is the chemical reaction. In this Allemans and Kettelman's reaction is very important, and sometimes this is also very important. Last year from this 6 equation only they asked question. How to convert the benzene dinucleotide salt to nitrobenzene. Simple this equation. So 3 marks question. Convert the benzene dinucleotide salt to nitrobenzene. This simply you have to write the equation. Okay. So this is all very important. So these are example for reactions involving replacement of replacement of nitrogen group. Reactions involving a replacement of nitrogen group. See, in the balance of nitrogen group is what? Replacement of nitrogen is released in all products of nitrogen gas is released in. So this is example for reactions involving replacement of nitrogen group only. Is it clear? Very very important. Okay. So this is the examples, equations, chemical equation. And another category already discussed. So that is what? Reactions involving retention of diazo group. 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 So on the next classification, reactions involving retention of diazo group. Diazo group. Reactions involving retention of diazo group. Is it clear? So in this we discuss the coupling reaction. Only one reaction is there, that is coupling reaction. Coupling reaction. So reactions involving retention of diazo group. So there is no change the nitrogen position. That is there is no. So previously we discussed reactions involving replacement of nitrogen. That means nitrogen is replaced by other groups only. But here is nitrogen should be present in the reaction after and before the chemical reaction and after the chemical reaction, after formation of product, before the formation of products. Both are having nitroazo group is present. Okay, so this coupling reactions products is obtained with extent of conjugation of aromatic ring. So both the aromatic ring to N double bond N. Extent of conjugation of both the aromatic ring. So this coupling reactions products is obtained. So extent of conjugation of both the aromatic group both the aromatic and to N double bond N chain. So this coupling reaction products generally it is colored substances and it is used for dyes. This coupling reaction products is generally it is color products, it having color and it is used as a dyes only. So let us take the example. So benzene diazonium chloride salt treated with benzene diazonium chloride salt. So benzene diazonium chloride salt N plus Cl minus. So benzene diazonium chloride salt treated with phenol. Benzene diazonium chloride salt treated with phenol. So in its phenol para position is coupled with this diazonium group. In the balance of basic group. Okay. So that is produced the what? Para hydroxy azobenzene. So para hydroxy azobenzene plus Cl minus. Okay, and H2. Okay. Is it there? So benzene diazonium chloride salt react with phenol. So in this phenol, its para position is coupled with the diazo group to produce the para hydroxy azobenzene. Plus chloride and plus water molecules. Is it clear? So benzene diazonium chloride salt react with the phenol. In this phenol, its para position coupled with the diazo group and to produce the para hydroxy azobenzene is called orange dye. This is called orange dye. Is it clear? So what is the orange dye? So benzene diazonium chloride salt treated with phenol, which is phenol. In this phenol, para position of hydrogen is coupled with the diazonium group and to produce the para hydroxy azobenzene. So this is orange dye. This is the orange dye. Is it clear? So what is the orange dye? Okay. And next one is same. It is also similarly. So benzene diazine chloride salt. Benzene diazine chloride salt react with amines. So there is aniline. In the presence of acidic medium to produce the what? To produce the para-amino-azobenzene. Plus Cl minus and H2 in the presence of acidic medium. That is para-amino-azobenzene. This is what? Yellow dye. So benzene diazine chloride salt treated with aniline to produce the. So this is similar same. So it is para coupled with azo group and to produce the para-aminobenzene. So para-aminobenzene. So this para-aminobenzene is called yellow dye. Yeah, this is the coupling reaction. Is it clear? Coupling reaction. So what is the coupling? Very important. These two reactions. What is the orange dye? What is the yellow dye reaction? Simply coupling reaction is this coupling reaction is product is obtained extend of conjugation. N triple bond is extend. So become a N double bond. Here is N triple bond is there na? Here is N double bond. Extend of conjugation of both aromatic ring. So generally it is colored substance. It is used as a dye. We have to make the color in our hairs. Color dyes is there in market is available. So we have to use the dyes color. So to impact the color on your hairs, and so that is prepared by coupling reaction. So this reaction is example for electrophilic substitution reaction. This is the above equations are electrophilic substitution. The above equations are electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Is it clear what I am saying? So benzene diazine chloride salt react with phenol in the presence of basic medium. In this its phenol para portion is coupled with the azo group diazine group to produce the para hydroxy azobenzene. So this is orange dye. So same benzene diazine chloride react with the aniline. That is in the para portion of hydrogen is coupled with azo group diazine group to produce the para-aminobenzene. This is what yellow dye. So this reaction is example for electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as coupling reaction. Is it clear? Very important coupling reaction. Only one equation is there. Reactions involving the retention of diazo group. Example, only coupling reaction. So coupling reaction is product is obtained what? So extend of conjugation with both the aromatic ring of N double bond N. Extend the conjugation of both the aromatic ring N double bond N. Here is N triple bond N is there, but here is N double bond N. Okay. So this is for example, benzene diazine chloride salt react with phenol. In its phenol, para portion of hydrogen is coupled with diazo group to produce the para hydroxy azobenzene, and it is orange dye. Along with same aniline react. Benzene diazine chloride salt react with aniline. So in this aniline, para portion of hydrogen coupled with diazo group to produce the para-aminobenzene. So this is yellow dye. This reaction is called coupling reaction. Okay. So this reaction is example for electrophilic substitution reaction. This coupling reactions are example for electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So next one is importance of diazonium salts. So in that of aromatic compounds. Importance of diazonium salts are synthesis of aromatic compounds. Generally. So already from the above all chemical reaction we discussed about the so benzene diazine benzene diazine chloride. So in this benzene diazine chloride, in that easily introduce the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. We have to prepare that. So the diazine chloride salts are very good intermediate. So diazine chloride salt is very good intermediate to prepare the fluoro, chloro, bromine and iodo, cyano and hydroxy nitro group in the diazonium chloride salt. So importance of diazonium salts. So synthesis of aromatic compounds. So benzene diazonium chloride salt is the good intermediate for the preparation of fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo and cyano and hydroxy and nitro group. nitrobenzene, chlorobenzene we prepare now. So however, iodobenzene, okay, fluorobenzene and iodobenzene cannot be introduced in the fluorine and iodine cannot be introduced in the benzene ring in diazonium chloride salt. Correct na? Fluorine and iodine. So already discussed, fluorine and iodine cannot be introduced in the benzene ring. Fluorine and iodine so cannot be directly introduced in the benzene ring. We use it in the, for example, iodobenzene we have to shake with potassium iodide. Fluorobenzene we react with fluoroboric acid. Okay, and along with cyanobenzene. So cyanobenzene, cyano group is cyano group is it is not substituted in the, for example, chlorobenzene. So in this chlorobenzene we have to prepare the cyanobenzene. So cyano group is cannot be replaced the chlorine. So however, cyanobenzene you can prepare from the diazonium salt. So for example, chlorobenzene, so react with potassium cyanide to produce the cyanobenzene. There is no reaction generally, no reaction. But we have to prepare the cyanobenzene also. The cyanobenzene is produced from diazonium salt only. Cyanobenzene is produced from the diazonium salt. So chlorine cannot be replaced by cyano group. So in nucleophile, it is also chloride acts as nucleophile, cyanide acts as nucleophile. So chlorine cannot be replaced by cyanide in chlorobenzene. Chlorine cannot be replaced by cyanide in chlorobenzene. So however, we have to prepare the cyanobenzene whenever cyanobenzene from diazonium chloride salt, that is Sandemann's reaction. So whenever chlorobenzene react with potassium, there is no reaction. So both are nucleophiles only. But cyanobenzene we have to prepare from diazonium chloride salt. That is very important. So cyanide group cannot be replaced with chlorine in chlorobenzene. However, we have to prepare the cyanobenzene from diazonium salt only. That is Sandemann's reaction. Okay. So next one is, these methods are useful. So substituted. Okay. So the diazonium salt is used for substituted of which cannot be prepared. Substituted benzene or benzene which cannot be prepared. Substituted benzene. So we can prepare from diazonium salt only. Okay. This is examples. This is the methods are useful for. This diazonium chloride salt is used for which cannot be prepared the substituted benzene, then we can prepare from diazonium salt only. This is the importance of it. Okay, is clear? Only theory. So simple theory is what? So this is benzene diazonium chloride salt is a good intermediate for preparation of fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, cyanobenzene, phenol and nitrobenzene. Okay, so and however, fluorine and iodine cannot be introduced in the benzene ring. But however, we can prepare the fluorobenzene and iodobenzene. And along with the cyanide group cannot be replaced to the chlorine in the chlorobenzene. However, we have to prepare the cyanobenzene in the presence of from diazonium salt. Okay. And so this diazonium salt is used for, this is helpful for which benzene substitute, that is aryl substituted compounds. Which aryl substituted compound cannot be prepared directly, we can prepare from the diazonium salt. This is the importance of the diazonium salts chemical reactions. Okay. So this is the amends topic. So this is the complete the chapter. Just you have to revise and maintain your notes, and if you have any doubt, just to ask me. Okay. Is it clear? Thank you.